everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome for the very first time. This is your go-to place for career tips, onboarding walkthroughs, job offer guides and everything you need to know when starting your professional journey, especially if you are stepping into the IT world. Today's video is going to be super important and extremely helpful, especially if you have just received your offer letter from Cognizant or expecting it soon. First of all, congratulations. That's a huge milestone and you should be proud of yourself. In this video, I am going to take you through every single step of the Cognizant onboarding process, right from the time you get the offer letter to the moment you receive your onboarding pass. I will explain the steps in detail, including setting up the Microsoft Authenticator app, accepting your offer, filling in 17 forms correctly, avoiding mistakes, uploading documents for background verification, and more. I know it can be confusing when you are doing this for the first time, especially if you are not sure what to do, where to click, or which documents are needed. That's why I have created this step-by-step guide just for you. So grab your pen and notebook if needed, or just relax and follow along. And hey, before we jump in, if this kind of helpful content matters to you, take a second to click that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. It helps me a lot and it motivates me to create more videos to help students and freshers like you. Let's grow together, support each other, and make onboarding easy for everyone. Let's start with accessing the OneCognizant portal. So first things first, you will receive an email from Cognizant. This email will have a link to log in to the OneCognizant portal, which is the main platform where all your onboarding steps will be completed. Important note, you must sign in using a Microsoft account and for security reasons. And you will also be asked to set up the Microsoft Authenticator app. Let's see what to do. Install the Microsoft Authenticator app from the Play Store or Apple Store. Open the OneCognizant login link. Sign in with the Microsoft credentials they provide or your official Cognizant mail. Every time you try to log in, you will receive an authentication request or OTP on the Authenticator app. Keep the app handy on your phone and allow notifications. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see 4 main sections on the OneCognizant portal, like offer acceptance, background verification, pre-joining formalities, your first day. Start with the offer acceptance section. Click on it and you will be asked to check a checkbox which serves as your digital signature. Once you click the checkbox, a document signing pop-up will appear. If it doesn't, check your email for the signing link. You will be shown 2 forms to sign and accept. Click on sign and you are done with this step. After accepting the offer, within 3 to 48 hours, you will receive an email from Cognizant. This mail contains a link to upload your documents and start the background verification and pre-joining formalities. Click the link and again sign in via OneCognizant. You will be redirected to the section where you can begin entering your personal and academic details. The background verification step is very important. You will need to enter accurate information and upload valid documents to support each detail. And you can see the details you need to fill as personal information, educational background, identification documents. And be ready with these documents: Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID or passport. Any one of them is mandatory. Mark sheets, 10, 12 and UZ. Ensure documents are clear and use PDF format if possible. Make sure your name and date of birth matches across all the documents. Once your background verification section is done, I will be redirected to pre-joining formalities. Here you will need to fill 16 forms. These forms include PF nomination, gratuity form, personal declaration, emergency contact details, bank details, medical history, education history, etc. Take your time with these forms. Double check each one before submitting to avoid errors or rejections. After submitting the 16 forms, you will receive one final form related to confirmation of your date of joining and location. So in total, there will be 17 forms to complete. Once done, you are officially ready for onboarding. Sometimes Cognizant may send a correction email if there are any issues with the documents you uploaded. You can see common reasons for rejection could be name mismatch, blurry or incorrect documents, missing details, etc. If you get a correction email, revisit the OneCognizant portal, re-upload or correct the spelling. If all your forms and documents are correct, your background verification will be cleared and you will receive your onboarding pass. Usually, you will get the pass 3 days before your joining date. If your background verification is not cleared on time, your joining date may be postponed. So, that's the complete process of accepting your offer and completing your onboarding with Cognizant. And that's it, guys. You have made to the end of the video. You now know everything about the Cognizant onboarding journey, from getting the first email to finally receiving your onboarding pass and being ready for day one. Remember, this is just the beginning of your career and it's completely okay to feel a little overwhelmed. But trust me, once you follow these steps and keep your documents ready, the process becomes a little smoother. Don't panic if you get a correction email or if your onboarding date changes. Stay calm, follow the instructions, and keep checking your emails on the OneCognizant portal regularly. If this video helped you even a little bit, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you know someone else who has received a Cognizant offer or in the same stage, do them a favor and share this video with them too. I am planning to make more videos on interview tips, project explanations, joining experiences, and how to prepare for your first IT job. So make sure you have hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching till the end. It really means a lot to me. Wishing you all the best for your exciting journey with Cognizant. Take care and stay positive, and I will see you in the next video.